Hi, this is Madan. I am working as a MATLAB programmer in Pyro Solution Private Limited. Let us see the project soft switching current feed push-pull converter for a AC model applications. And for AC model applications, we use a variety of converters. And but our proposed system is a current feed push-pull converter and using a soft switching technique. And because the previous converters has more and more losses and it produce low amount of energy to the load, and but our proposed system overcome this faults, and the drawbacks of existing system is the control scheme is complicated and it's a hard switching, losses are high, circuit complexity is high, coupled inductor tank ratio is also high. Comparisons of existing system and proposed system is shown there, and existing system high frequency transformer is used, but it causes a losses. Our proposed system has also a high frequency resonant transformer, but it has low power losses, high efficiency, and power loss is low, and push-pull converter output is very high. And comparing the existing system, our proposed system has more and more advantages, and it's a circuit diagram of our proposed system. Our proposed system input is one of the PV source, and from the PV source extract power to the converter. And this is our push-pull converter. This push-pull converter transfers the power from the PV system into the our load, and from our proposed technique, the switches presented in the push-pull converters are operated, and it delivers the efficient amount of power to the load. That load is our needed system. And advantages of our system is a smaller input current ripple and no transformer, capacity output filter, and high voltage gain, elimination the common mode current. And the applications of our proposed system is HVDC grid application, solar power system, and voltage multiplier cell applications. Finally, we improve this model using the MATLAB environment 7.14. Thank you.